This is Max at 8.5 weeks, almost 9 weeks. Let's give him a little treat and see what he can do for you all to see. Come on. Right, Max. Right, Max. Sit. Max, sit. Good boy. Lay, Max. No, 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 no. Max, sit. Come on, Max. Right. Max, sit. Sit. Lay. Good boy. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Lay. Lay. Good boy. Max, bark. 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 Max, bark. No, not wave. Max, bark. Max, bark. No, no, no. Max, bark. Max, sit. No, Max. Max, sit. Bark. Bark. Louder. Good boy.